Okay, welcome back everybody. Hope you're having a great day. Today for the 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee, on the climate control panel, the lights are out. That'd be this right here. At nighttime, you know, the other stuff, everything else displays, but the lights behind this has burnt out. So I'm going to take you through the steps on taking that all apart, replacing them with the lights, and hopefully get it fixed where we can see it at night now. Here are the lights. Got a pack of them off Amazon. Apparently they're the, let's see if I can get to focus there. Down. 2162 T1s. I think got a pack of maybe 10 of them for $8. So we'll go ahead and replace it, show you what to do. All right, first thing, you're going to want to remove this chrome ring. So get you a little pry tool. Remember, they're plastic tabs, so be kind of gentle. Remove that, put it off to the side. Next will be this surrounding black piece and pry tool. Got it like that. Again, off to the side. Again, pry tool. Sure, your application will vary. Mine, I put this radial in, so it's kind of a tight fit. Go ahead and remove that from there. Off to the side. Now for this panel, I think there's a screw down in here, right in the back. Maybe, maybe not. Might have already left that out. Yeah, there will be a screw back here. I don't have one in mine, so go ahead and pop this panel off. All right, I had to switch to the driver's seat. Flip your key in, take it out of park. It'll give you more room. I had to put it back because of the chiming, but just to show you, once you pop this panel off, right in the back, you got all your connections. See if I can get a good angle of that. Got all your connections. Go ahead and unplug everything. That way we can remove the panel and take it out of the truck. All right, once it's out, these are all your connections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One particular one, you'll see this red tab, it'll be pushed in. You just want to push it outwards that way you can depress the little clip right there and pull it out. So let's take it to the bench and I'll show you what to do next. All right, this is the section that we're going to be working on. Flip it to the back. You got 4 bolts right here, or little screws. This will overlay right here, so you will have to take this one off and remove this too. The size that I'm using is 5/32. It has a tad bit of play, but it'll work just fine. So go ahead and remove those 6. Once you remove it from the bezel, you will have these little tabs right here. Use the pry tool again, going right here, 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 just kind of surrounding it. You'll see them. Just pry up on them lightly, and you want to pull the face off of this, kind of more or less spread it apart to get to it. All right, popped them all off. I did have to pull off this knob. It's on there kind of tight. Just go ahead and pull it off though. Once you get all those tabs, this is what you're gonna look at. Spread it apart like that. Same thing with these knobs. We'll go ahead and pull these knobs off as well. Okay, once you pull off all the tabs or the knobs, basically it just falls right out. As you can see, these are the lights that we're replacing. Hopefully it can focus. There you go. You can definitely see it's got like a burnt metallic look. That's indicating that they're blown out on top of them not working. But this is a sure sign. So I'll go ahead and show you how to take those out. Once your soldering iron is heated up and ready, I got different tips on mine. You can use a straight one. The finer tip, the better to get into those little areas. But go ahead and I got flux as well. This is syringe style, no mess flux. Got this on Amazon, about $8, $9 as well. Come with the tips, everything you need. It'll last forever, but you want to put the flux on your little points where you're going to make contact with your solder. So like right here, I squirt a little bit on there. Same with on the other side right here. It'll help the solder focus only on that portion. That way you heat that up and kind of pull it off. So I'll do that. All right, here it is. Here's the piece. That's where I got it off. I just set it off to the side, but as you can tell, this side and this side, just touch it with your soldering iron, pull up a little bit until it gives out, and then you have your free bulb. Pull the bulb out of the little home and slide the new one in. Here's an old example. These are those two wires that come out. They basically roll over the sides and fold up. I had to use a razor blade, kind of get underneath it and pry them up a little bit, but once you get them up, just slide the bulb out like that. All right, here I slid in the new one. That's what it's going to look like. Go ahead and seat it down as far as you can and bend those little leads over. We'll solder it on like this and then cut the longer tail end off that we don't need. All right, and here's what your finished project will look like. Rock it back and forth, kind of make sure that the solder is on there and connected, but it's connected. So go ahead and repeat the same step with that one and that bulb as well. And here it is. Got all three of them on there. Again, give them a little wiggle. You know, don't get all crazy rough, but just you want to make sure that your contact points are connected. I know it's pretty small to see. You'd hate to get it all put back together and come to find out that you didn't actually fully solder one of them. So take your time on it. Now it's time for reassemble. All right, once you reassemble it, clip it all back together. Remember, you have the 6 screws. Put those in there. Make sure you know your lettering is right. Maybe you could get that one backwards, possibly not. It also overlays, remember that. So that should be it. Let's go ahead and put it back in the truck. All right, guys, there you have it. I know it's all dark, but the main focus was this panel. Now it's all lit up. Worked out good. So I say it's a job well done. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this or basically anything car related, go ahead and subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you.